the trouble just now. Yeah, I will introduce again for the Chatyn. So for Chatyn, our mission is to bring in the next million voices onto a Web3 social journey. Chatyn is a Web3 social platform. It's an AI and Web3 streaming platform where users can chat and play with their streamers and exploring the uses of Web3 and other mini games on the blockchain technology. And Chatyn is also a dynamic DID social map protocol generated by users. So let's start with some statistics. We can see the market of data and information has huge market volume and significant growth rate in the past years. Thus, Web3 social graph, as we think, also have a very great potential in the growth in the coming years. And in this year's social value chain, a lot of people encourage people to be the creators, to be the content creators. So we can also be the trend to welcome the social graph to be the next Web3 social. And there are some current problems with the social growth in Web3. As we all know, for the past years of development and the growth of the social related projects in Web3, there are a lot of obstacles for users coming to the blockchain and crypto world, especially for those who are not familiar with crypto, blockchain, gas, and sort of things. So it is hard for them to switch from traditional apps to the Web3 dApps. So we have very high education cost for the Web2 users. And also for those Web3 social apps, they are fully on-chain or they are 95% off-chain. Even though for these fully on-chain apps, the user experience is not very optimal. So for the traditional users, they will feel not very comfortable to transfer into the Web3 apps. And for the content, there are not enough content for users to engage. So there are less UGC for people to interact, and also the limited incentive for users and content creators to perform and engage. So we also have more problems for the Web3 social platforms. So we want to solve these problems, and we have our own solutions by Chatyn. So for Chatyn, we're using streaming, which is live streaming. It's a very traditional Web2 business model. So we use streaming as an entrance either for users to understand and onboard. And we also use, and for our users, the users also can choose which part of the experience to be on-chain. And we also use ZK privacy, IAM, so it's very secure and user experience is better. And we can also have less gas cost on the social platform. And for AI streamer enhanced, we also have more topics and more user experience for the AIGC and UGC. And the more important one is a reward. The users on Chatyn platform, they can get reward from the information and data they generate and sync on chain. So they will have their own DID, and all the social graph on chain will represent their asset and tokens. Then they will generate all their social graph on the Chatyn ecosystem. So make it simple, what is Chatyn's product? So we are an AI-powered and real-person streaming platform, and we are also on-chain and ZK encrypted IAM. So we have these IAM functions into the platform, and also we have mini games, we have also news, and also we are ERC 437 power user behavior and social graph. Here is like the user experience when you are use Chatyn. To get started, you need to download and install Chatyn. That's very traditional. Then you register and connect your wallet. Then users can use Chatyn for free and recharge your tokens to buy your NFT. Once you acquire and equip your NFT, then you can participate and engage with the Chatyn ecosystem. We have streaming, AI streaming, gaming, news, and everything you can play in the Chatyn ecosystem. Then once you finish the daily tasks and you are using Chatyn, you can get rewarded and tokens. And all your social activities are recorded into your social DID, which is your DNFT. And all this data is all yours. And all this data you can be transferred to asset, and you can generate tokens and credits into the ecosystem. And that's a full ecosystem for users who can interact with Chatyn. Expect for the users, we also have we will also have all the partners in the Chatyn ecosystem. They play a very important role in the business partners. And this is some similar products at Chatyn. Some of them are the Web2 product like Yala and Bigo. We are more like Yala. They are very popular in the Middle East part, and they are very traditional voice streaming platform. And for Chatyn, we also integrate like AI characteristics into the live streaming platform. And also we have the Web3 aspect, means we can tokenize your social graph, tokenize your asset, and data privacy side, like we are using ZK. Thanks for the ZK technology, we can have this privacy encrypted IM functions into the Chatyn. And for Dbox, it's a Web3 social app, but we are not so similar, but we have some similar functions, especially for the community and IM part. But for Chatyn, all the ISET are on chain, and for Dbox, they are more suitable for the community engagement. And for Chatyn, we are more like an ecosystem platform and mini games. You can have fun and find everything on the Chatyn ecosystem. And this is a Chatyn ecosystem. Just now I also mentioned for the users, the users will be play a role in the streaming and information in Web2 and Web3. So if you're users, you can go to the Chatyn platform, then you can watch a streaming. You can be the streamers. You can also watch a streaming. If you are streamers, then you can also get the reward by others tipping and also gifts. If you are watching streaming, then you can also get your tokens, and you can also play like other games, mini games in our application and the platforms to during the streaming. And also you can also get the streamer commissions once you are the Chatyn app. And for the partners, we have a lot like business partners. If you are projects, if you are a game, you will be our partner. For our partner, first you can also do streaming on the platform. So you can use AI characteristic. For example, if you are Web3 DeFi, you have if you have your virtual idol, you can integrate your virtual idol into a Chatyn platform. Then users can voice chatting with your virtual idol. So that's also the part of the business partners streaming function. And also for ecosystem merging with our partners product, so we can also integrate the partners functions and partners ecosystem into our product. I will show in the in the following pages. And for the ads, that's a direct income from different projects. So that's a very traditional business model. Yeah, there's some examples I mentioned just now for the business partners. For example, we have done a business partner with Sikuya. It's an Indonesian gaming project, and they create their in-game ambassador as a virtual idol on Chatyn. And for the breakdown, we also onboard Radeon as a Web3 information and news partners. So on the Chatyn app, you can see most of the news are actually from Radeon. So the Radeon users can also guide explorer in Chatyn ecosystem. There are some examples of the business partners. And this is our user acquisition route and some like go-to-market strategies we're using right now. We are in the Q4 this year. We just launched our alpha testing, and now we are going to officially launch very soon. There are some results we have achieved. We have been doing this app for more than 1 year, and we have done a lot of events online and offline. We also have global ecosystem ambassadors representing Chatyn to do the local user acquisitions. We also have 30 plus business partners to integrate into Chatyn. Some events, as is our utility token. This is a token. So this is a roadmap. Now we are in the Q4. We have already done Q3. We just launched the desktop and the website and also the alpha testing. So anyone who is interested to see how to use Chatyn or want to try the demo or who want to be our business partner who can anyone who is interested can DM us and email us, ask for the internal testing, and we can also integrate all your virtual idol and all your business partner idol into our alpha testing version if you are interested. And for the next quarter, we will officially launch everything, so you can easily download from App Store and website and everything. Then that's Chatyn platform officially launch. Yeah, thanks for watching. That's our Telegram and Twitter and email. Let us know if you want to have partnership and demo trial.
Okay, thanks Chris for the demo of Chatyn app, and now we'll have Norman to raise one questions.
Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you.
Yeah. So for the Chatyn, it's pretty interesting project and it has a lot of advanced technology in it. So I have actually I have two questions. So if the users they mainly get the tokens from syncing their information on chain, right? But I also see that users can freely switch to on chain, also off chain actions. So if a user choose to perform the off-chain action smoothly, then how do they, get the rewards? How do they get the tokens? And how are they in incentives to do the actions on the Chatyn? And the second is I think you mentioned you guys use on-chain also the ZK to do the privacy. But I'm not sure why the ZK is coming in because I think for the private chats we can just use the end-to-end encryption and that's pretty enough for the private chats. I think ZKPs are mostly used for computations and validate proofs of that kind of computations. So yeah, that's my questions. Thank you.
Hi Chris, we can't hear you now. Could you please step upwards a bit? Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, we can hear you now.
Yeah, thanks for the questions. For these two questions, I will answer the first one. For the first question, for those people who didn't connect with all their crypto wallet and not just traditional Web2 users, of course, they can use our platform to play as a traditional live streaming platform, or they can read news. But yeah, they cannot get tokens and rewarded because they don't have a wallet. But they can still contribute and get their credit on chain. So once they are connected to wallet, they are still on chain. So they can also redeem their reward on chain. And for the second one, because now we are on the layer one chain, but we have some future plan to deploy on on those new layer two chains. So that's why we have some partnership with some layer two chains. That's why we're using the key encrypted privacy IAM into our platform.
I see. Thank you.